So I was going to widen this channel here to make it fit over on this latch key, but see that this has these slots here, and upon further study and reflection you want that edge to connect to the slot. That way the doorknob won't jam, it'll perform better. And as I put it in there, I can see that this edge was about a 1/16 of an inch away from this slot. It's very close. So all I need to do, grind out this hole here so that this doorknob moves in that direction, and then it will make contact with that slot. That's what I'm going to do. Grind this out here. Alright, now I can install that doorknob.